5K guys.
Pressurized.
Hello human, represent Singaporean.
Aim for the
Hana from the Fred Duo.
Berapa ringgit dah hangus? Kerja kau ringgit dah.
More than 5?
More than 5?
Okay.
5K guys. Serius ah?
Serious.
So, inilah dia 100ml kita. Boleh buka dia try dulu.
botol berkilat-kilat dah
Oh, botol very classic Tangan ni?
Tangan.
Pressurized.
Baby, spray lagi. Dengar atomizer. Pressurized.
I like the box, especially the color. It's nice. For the bottle, mashallah, it looks so very macam classic. It looks expensive and classy lah.
I think Zindor has improved a lot
Yeah.
over time.
Okay, last question. Out of 10.
Out of 10 for everything. Out of 10, I would say 8.5.
8.5.
Yeah.
Sama, 8.5 lah.
8.5.
Yeah.
Itu dia.
Kalau ada
buat
bau kita kan, maybe 9.
10. If you can get for myself, I'll give 10 lah.
Oh, faham.